Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is still Simon, and today we are going to be opening a box of Cardfight Vanguard, specifically Minerva Rising. So without further ado, let's get into the box, if it lets us. So, since the question came up on one of the other videos, I do in fact play quite a bit of the games I open. I at least know the rules for all of them. But yeah, I don't play every single one of them. Mainly I just like opening cards. Yeah, we have the ad. Go take a look at whatever you're interested in. And now let's open up some packs. Let's use the side. Maybe I will regret this decision. By the way, we start off with our little dragon here. We have a Tier Knight Theo. And then for our rares we have Wisdom of Beginning that cleared the world. And Strahl Windhose. Fun fact, in German you would write it with a D. And have a little tornado, I guess. Small tornado, probably. Once again, we start off with a dragon. And our Tier Knight. And we have a Sword Saint Night Dragon Graham Grace for our double rare. And we get a Monster Creator Archide for our triple rare. Wonderful. So let's leave that one. And also the double rare. And let's go open another pack. And once again, we start with a Fiend. We have a Record Break Dragon, Magic of Purification, that's actually the third one. We have an Officer Cadet Eric. We have a Gratias Gradale, that's really nice. And then a Torrential Energy Research. So let's leave those up. And go to the next pack. So for those interested, I'm not actually playing any of the ride lines in this box. I'm just opening it to add to my collection. So we have a Cerulean Heavy Gunner, Judgment Maelstrom for our rare, and a Witch of Ravens Chamomile for our, I think it should be double rare. Yes, it is. Lovely. Let's continue. We start off with a Coming of Demise. I don't know, that might be a bad sign. A Vivid Rabbit. We have a Marine General. Then Harry and Join Silverthorn Servants for our rare. And for our triple rare, we have an Undoubting Flamesword Radilina. Very cool. Very cool. Keep it coming. I would like to have Minerva, of course. Because she's cool looking. And we start off with a full-blown dragon, an Apple Witch Cider, Officer Cadet Eric again, Flying Shot Dragon Crumstego for our rare, and Brick Gardener for our second rare. Next pack. And we start off with a Silver Fawn Assistant. Ionella. Names, I tell you. Then we have Can't Quit Sake Stealth Rogue. Yeah, I'm not gonna try pronounce the Japanese name. And for our rares, we have a Universal Angel and the Torrential Energy Research. And on to the next pack. Here we go. We start off with the beginning of the end, quite fitting. We have Short Rest Archive, Thunderclap Dragon, Titan of Greenflow Patrol, and Silverfawn Breathing Dragon for our double rare. Very cool. Let's leave that and continue. One side is empty of the box, of course. And we have a Monster Soul Searching Archive, almost a full right line already. A Trapeze Actress, then a Witch of Frogs Melissa, and for our rares we have Hammer Breaking Knight Sadie, and One Who Pursues the Proto Galaxy. Cool looking. On to the left side. We continue with a Cerulean Heavy Gunner. Beginning of the end, once again, a Coexistence Dragon, and for our rares we have a Shoreline Race Dragon and the Stealth Fiend. Yeah, you can pronounce that name yourself, because I won't. So, once again we start off with the Dragon, Tier Knight Theo. Then Short Rest Archive, Apple Witch Cider, and for our rares we have a Diverse Wild Master Honoratio and a Knight of Exorcism. What am I reading? A Knight of Excision Dioro. Yeah, exactly. Only if they were German names, then I would know how to pronounce them properly. So, let's see. We have Marmor Ehre. That's the proper German pronunciation. We have Signpost Fairy. Sleeping Protector Archive. That's now the full right line. All 4 versions of her. Fierce Attack Brave Shooter. And a Sublimate Lance Dragon, as well as Silverfawn Marionette Lillian. For our rares. We have 4 packs left to go. Would really like another triple rare. But let's see. Coexistence Dragon once again. We have a Cerulean Heavy Gunner. And I can already see the sparkles. We have Wisdom of Beginning that cleared the world for our rare. And a Tidal Assault for our triple rare, which I'm going to sleeve and put on the side. 3 packs left to go. Maybe we can get some more. We have a way too long text name. Ill-Omened Transmogrification. We have a Tsunami Brave Shooter, a Windstorm Monster Cyclogate, and Stealth Dragon Yakumetsu Arcs for our double rare. Nice foiling effect, as always. 2 packs to go. So fingers crossed that we find something good again. We have a Knight of Herring Fear, Dapfech, or something like that. A plant token, the Ripening Dragon, and Spear Knight of Scales Linzwild for our rares. And down to the last pack. Wish us luck. And hopefully we get something cool. We start off with a full-blown dragon. We Apple Witch Cider. We have an Officer Cadet Eric. We have It's Showtime Ririmi. And a Witch of Ravens Chamomile in the frame rarity. That's cool. So let's leave those both. That's really cool. I like it. Alrighty. So this has been another card opening here on Simon's Card Hot. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I will be seeing you at the next one.